What's up, guys? I got my lowrider bike here, built by me, using hand tools, a drill, and hacksaw. So the first thing I want to talk about is the wheels. They don't look all that complicated, but it's a lot of work. So the first thing you gotta realize is I got the knockoff spinners on the front. Zoom in a little bit. And on the back. So they're both the same size, same axle, same thread pitch, and that's what makes it difficult. So they both are coaster brake hubs, and that matters because it made it very difficult to build this front rim. The back rim was easy, didn't take a lot of work. It's just a coaster brake hub on a 20-inch rim. The front one was difficult. The reason why is because it is on a vintage steel rim, and it looks like that because when I got it, somebody had painted the rim red. And honestly, I don't have the tools to do it right, because what I should have done was put it in a sandblaster, but I don't got that right now. So a little bit of spray paint and it'll look silver. And eventually I'll go back and I'll scrape all the red paint off and it'll be chrome again, but that's at a later date. So what you have to do to get this set up to work is you have to make one hub out of two coaster brake hubs. So it's not too difficult, but all you really gotta do, and the nice part about it is the hub is symmetric on both sides. So that's why you need two, and that's why it works, is because you take the guts out of both of them, right? And you take the pivot arm side bearing out of both of them and use those as your bearings. Now, it widens the hub length. Which really isn't a problem, but like a lot of things, you change one thing, you gotta change 20 other things. So, by doing that, I had to add about 4 washers on each side of my spring arm. So, 4 down there, and 4 on the other side. Actually, 4 up there too, if you can see. And also made the back difficult because I had to add 4 spacers on the one side, right, of the hub, so that I can get a real nice clearance on this side, just enough to get it snug. If I didn't have those on there, especially on this side, the bolts would end up hitting, or the mufflers would end up hitting it. And it comes really, really close, but that's why I got those 4 spacers on there. So that's how you get that done. Not too difficult, you just have to figure out how to redo it and still make it work. So if you're trying to build a vintage lowrider for a little bit of money, that's the setup you want, man. That's definitely the setup you want.